Shut up and sit down.
Greetings, fellow Earth travelers. Obelix here, and today we're doing part 2 of our Watch Gang Black Tier subscription unboxings for August 2018. Remember, we got 2 Black Tier subscriptions. One we paid for and one we won as a result of a contest that was done in July by the Watch Gang. And we won a Black Tier subscription, second Black Tier subscription. So we already opened one. We got this guy here, the Strumento Merino Missouri Series 2 in red. So we did an unboxing on this earlier. I'll put a link in the down there. So we're going to go on to the second unboxing, which came in today. And let's get right into it. Unboxing duties are going to be done by the Buck Vantage. Love this blade. Old school blade. Super sharp. And there we go. And let's pop this guy open. We got the usual literature, which we saw in the last one, so we're not going to worry about that one. We won't worry about looking at that one. And it looks like we got an out of order. So let's get the shipping box out of the way. And we got an out of order, damaged in Italy. That's pretty interesting. I actually know this brand. This brand has been all the flutter on the Watch Gang Exchange. It is a brand that the folks in the exchange seem to like a lot. And basically, it's a pre-damaged watch. Let's take a look. Sliding it out of the tube, and basically same branding again. Decent hard box. Not super fantastic presentation, but it definitely works. It gets the job done. And there we go. Please treat me bad. What's funny is, please treat me bad. This is soft. So, treat me bad, but not too much, will you? Too funny. Too funny. Nice job, out of order. Too humorous. All right, let's pop this guy out. And we'll set him to the side for a moment as we check out the rest of the goodies. Damaged in Italy, and I assume that's just warranty card instruction book. Yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Standard stuff. And all cushioned down here as well. So damaged in Italy, but just take it easy on me from here on out. too funny. And here we go, the out of order. And I don't know what model this one is. It's a Casanova. And I'm looking at the back here. Wow, this is actually pretty cool looking, I want to say. So kind of the thing with out of order is they beat them up. They just beat the snot out of them so that they scratch them all up. This one in particular is all tarnished, blemished along the edges here, and kind of a roughed up looking weathered band. It's actually brand new. You can tell. You see how nice and stiff that is. So it's brand spanking new. It just looks old. Let's see if we can take some of this plastic off. Damaged in Italy, but covered in plastic. And just the irony of it is humorous to me. I'm actually pretty stoked about this. Like I said, I've seen this guy. I don't think there's nope, there's not a front cover. There is a back one. Pop that guy off. I said I've seen the guys in the exchange talking about this brand a lot, and just looking at them, online, I'm just like, who wants to buy a damaged watch? It's like buying damaged jeans, right? Yeah, that's a kid thing. I ain't no kid. I like my jeans in full repair, But just looking at this piece is actually really cool. It has a lot of character to it, and I really do like that. This band's going to wear in well. This side of it looks really great. The distress side, it does have made in Italy right there, and these are of course made in Italy. It is 10 ATM water resistant. I assume unidirectional. Oh yeah, unidirectional crown. Nice click. So dive watch, I wouldn't dive with it with the strap on it there. Unless it says, nope, it doesn't say water resistant. Even then, I'm not a big fan of diving with leather. But check out that that distressing there. If this guy will focus for me, check out the distressing done on the sides here, and on this side here. I mean, this is the one time a watch manufacturer can get away with breaking a watch, is when they're actually trying to. You know, we got our what was it, the Pure Dial Power Sphere I just did a review on, and you know, I was complaining about it has damages, you know, has some scratches and nicks on it that you know, are unacceptable at the price point. Well, this guy is damaged to snot. So irony. Yeah, out of order written in here inside the bezel, where the, if you can see it, if I can hold it, yeah, see it right back in here where it says out of order along the edge there. That's kind of cool. Cyclops eyes fairly straightly placed for the most part. I assume this is a screw down crown. It is. Feels quartz. I could be wrong. I'll have to check. I don't know if this actually says. Oh, interesting. They have an interesting little quote on here. You can swim without troubles. Okay. Well, there you go. You don't have to worry about damaging it, because it was already damaged in Italy. So I'll give you a good shot of the back here. So out of order, damaged in Italy, treat me bad. So, very cool. I am super excited about this. I can't wait to get this on the wrist and spend some time with it. Get to know it a little bit and do a full review on this guy. Not a huge fan that the buckle doesn't match. I mean, there's beautiful patina on this case, but not matched on the buckle. You know, you can't win them all, right? But it would be nice to see that. But yeah, so out of order Casanova, our second Watch Gang Black Tier subscription for August 2018. The first was the Strumento Merino Missouri Series 2. Blech, mouthful. Which one do you think's best? Which one? I know you all are going to say the out of order. Let's pop it on the wrist. Get the Strumento off. Get the out of order on. There it is your way. It's a bigger piece. Most definitely a bigger piece. Looks good though. Let's get it on the other way. Yeah, I like my brown, so the coloration definitely goes for me. Let's see how that leather actually feels. Sometimes new leather feels great, and sometimes it doesn't. Okay, captive keeper there, loose keeper there, my preferred method. There you go. Very nice. So let me know down yonder what you guys think, and how you compare it with the previous August 2018 Black Tier subscription watch, the Strumento Merino. Which one would you prefer? I'm definitely leaning toward the out of order myself. But I do think that is all the time I got for today. I sure do appreciate you guys coming to hang out with me as we open up our second box this month. And until next time, you guys get out there and make some noise. We'll see you.